Living in a sunny coastal area has its perks, but constant exposure to strong sunlight can take a toll on your home's interior. In Miami Beach, where sunshine is abundant year-round, UV rays can cause significant damage over time. From fading furniture to deteriorating flooring, the effects can be costly and frustrating. Fortunately, upgrading to modern replacement windows offers an effective solution for reducing UV damage while enhancing comfort and efficiency. One of the biggest concerns with prolonged sun exposure is fading. UV rays can gradually bleach the color out of furniture, carpets, curtains, and even artwork. What once looked vibrant can quickly become dull and worn. Replacement windows equipped with advanced glass technology help block a large portion of harmful UV rays, protecting your interior and preserving the beauty of your home. Modern replacement windows often include low emissivity coatings, which are designed to filter out ultraviolet and infrared light without reducing the amount of natural sunlight entering your space. This means you can still enjoy bright, sunlit rooms without the damaging effects that usually come with it. In a place like Miami Beach, where natural light is a key part of the lifestyle, this balance is especially valuable. In addition to protecting your belongings, reducing UV exposure also contributes to better indoor comfort. Sunlight that passes through older windows often brings unwanted heat, making certain areas of your home feel warmer than others. This can create uncomfortable hotspots, especially during peak daylight hours. Replacement windows help regulate this by minimizing heat transfer, keeping your home cooler and more consistent in temperature. This improved temperature control also leads to increased energy efficiency. When less heat enters your home, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable environment. Over time, this can result in lower energy bills and reduced wear on your HVAC system. For homeowners in Miami Beach, where cooling costs can be high, this is a major advantage. Another benefit of UV-reducing replacement windows is the added protection for your flooring. Hardwood floors, laminate, and even tile can be affected by constant sunlight exposure. Discoloration and uneven fading can occur, especially in areas that receive direct sunlight throughout the day. By blocking harmful rays, modern windows help maintain the original look of your flooring for longer. Window treatments like blinds and curtains can offer some protection, but they often block out natural light as well. Replacement windows provide a more efficient solution by filtering UV rays while still allowing light to pass through. This means you don't have to sacrifice brightness or keep your blinds closed all day to protect your home. Durability is another important factor. Today's replacement windows are built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand intense sunlight and coastal conditions. Frames resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring your windows continue to perform well and look great over time. This is especially important in Miami Beach, where salt air and strong sun can impact building materials. In addition to protecting your home's interior, these windows also contribute to a healthier living environment. Excessive UV exposure can affect more than just your belongings, it can also impact your skin. By reducing the amount of UV radiation entering your home, replacement windows add an extra layer of protection for you and your family. Aesthetically, replacement windows can also enhance your home's appearance. With a variety of styles, finishes, and designs available, you can choose options that complement your home's architecture while improving its overall performance. This combination of style and function makes them a valuable upgrade. Ultimately, reducing UV damage is about preserving your home and improving your quality of life. Replacement windows offer a smart, long-term solution that protects your interiors, enhances comfort, and improves energy efficiency. For homeowners in Miami Beach, upgrading to UV protective replacement windows is a practical investment that pays off in multiple ways. From protecting your furnishings to lowering energy costs, it's a simple change that delivers lasting benefits for your home and your peace of mind.